I've been your patient for I think about over a year now. And what I really love about Ethos is that it's not about seeing a doctor because you're broken and you need to be fixed, but it's about optimizing, which I think was the game changer for me, as an entrepreneur. And I know a lot of your patients are also entrepreneur. I saw a few EO members there during my visit, so
For sure.
I know.
Yeah, yeah.
What I love about it is it's the concept of you're going to see a health coach, a doctor,
Mm,
not because you're broken, but you just want to be better,
correct.
to optimize your health, whether it's mentally, emotionally. Like when we first met,
Mhm.
and then had my first visit at your clinic, dude, I was probably like 25 pounds heavier.
Right. Yeah. You look good now.
Well, the thing is, there's a lot of stuff that I already know,
Yeah.
but I couldn't connect to how to implement. And I guess, what doing those would mean as far as being optimized, how we function, how we think, and how we feel. But that's what you guys did. And perfect example of that, when I did my first lab test with you guys,
Mm,
there's a lot of stuff in there that's not usually tested,
correct.
like my insulin level, my testosterone. Like, because of that, we were able to figure out why I'm not losing weight, because I've been, even all these different methods is because, we found out my insulin level was just so high.
Yeah.
So because of that, you guys kind of came up with a plan to adjust that. And when I was able to address that, holy cow, everything kind of followed.
For sure.
And during my first visit, it was already different
Mm,
because I didn't feel like I was rushed, number one. I
yeah.
really felt like um, the doctor who was talking to me, he was fully invested. Like, there was genuine care
Yeah.
more than just a job. Like, man, this guy is really trying to find out, like, what are my goals? How can really get there? I think our first meeting was like an hour,
Yeah.
which is unheard of.
Mm,
Um, Usually, when I'm seeing my doctor, aside from me waiting for like an hour, despite the scheduled time,
yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
I'm only sitting there for like maybe 5 minutes,
Yeah.
and then just rushing, just typing through.
Right.
But in my experience with your office, like every time I'm there, it's like they're excited to see me there,
Yeah.
which is it's incredible. Um, so I mean, I could be your salesman here, man. But no, I think what you guys are doing, because when I met you, this is the first time I've heard of such model.
Mm,
So I think the relationship definitely is one, and then the fact that you're focused really on optimizing
yeah.
versus just kind of fixing.
Hmm.
Obviously, we've had several. I've had several visits in your office where I got sick,
Yeah.
which is amazing because, like, literally within the day, I could get an appointment at least through the telehealth.
Yep.
And if I need to be seen, I could just go, and then you have a text messaging, you have, phone system, email, you have a portal. It's amazing how you guys kind of change the overall kind of patient provider experience, man.
I appreciate that.